Yeah, now we learn about the zero error of the Vernier calipers. Okay, before calculating the zero error of the Vernier calipers, we learn what exactly is the zero error of a measuring device. To understand the concept of zero error, okay, we take a simple tape, a measuring tape. Okay, consider that it is having the divisions in inches, and we are looking at a small portion of the tape that is up to 16 inches. Now, if we measure by using this tape, okay, a box of length 15 inches, okay, therefore it will show exactly 15 inches because it starts with 0. Okay, there is no shift in the 0 of the measuring tape. Okay, and the measurement taken with this type of tape will be accurate. Okay, we don't take any incorrect readings as it starts with the 0. And it is said to have no zero error, and therefore there is no need of any correction for the readings that are taken by using this tape. And if it is having a zero error, then there are two possibilities. The first one is positive zero error. Okay, to understand positive zero error, you just consider the same tape and you just imagine that the beginning portion of this tape is damaged. It gets cut off. Now, and if you use this tape for measuring the length of the same box, then it will be showing 16 inches instead of 15 inches. The reason is, okay, the zero of the tape, the measuring tape, it has shifted forward by 1 inch. Therefore, the reading that is measured by using this tape will also be forward by 1 inch. Okay. Therefore, the reading observed will be 16 inches. This type of measuring tape is said to have a positive zero error and it needs a correction. So we know that the length of the missing part is 1 inch. Therefore, the correction for the observed reading, that is 16 inches, will be 16 minus 1 inch. The reading will be 16 minus 1, that is equal to 15 inches. And the error was positive. Okay, therefore the correction will be negative. That means we have subtracted 1. Now, okay, we go to the second type of the zero error, that is a negative zero error. So in this case, you consider the same tape and you just imagine that there is a small part or extra bit of length that is added at the beginning of the tape, and that extra bit of length is 1 inch. Okay. So in that case, and if you measure the length of the box by using this tape, okay, instead of 15, it will be showing 14 inches. The reason is that the zero of the measuring tape, it has shifted backward by 1 inch. Therefore, the reading observed will also be shifted backward by 1 inch. Therefore, the observed reading will be 14 inches. Okay, this type of the measuring tape is said to have negative zero error. Therefore, the correction will be positive. Since we know the length of the extra part that is added at the beginning of the scale, that is 1 inch, therefore the correction will be, okay, the 14 inches plus 1, that is equal to 15 inches. Okay, so therefore the zero error occurs whenever the zero of the measuring device shifts either backwards or forward. Okay, so if it is shifted forward, then it is said to have a positive zero error. Then we need the correction, that is negative. So if the zero of the measuring device, if it is shifted backward, okay, then it is said to have a negative zero error. Then it needs a correction, that is positive.